don't have electricity, you want to qualify for World Cup? How would your citizens watch you? We all love AFCON, but World Cup is here, bro. Let us all be serious. So you can take the AFCON and we will take the World Cup.
Yeah.
Qualifying for the World Cup, you have to score goals. You don't use Spotify stream for Afrobeat song to qualify for World Cup.
What's that one thing you are proud of as a Ghanaian?
24/7 lights.
24/7 lights.
Yes.
Hey, why some people don't have lights?
That green and white country, them not get lights.
All right.
Ghana is officially the largest producer of gold in Africa and the 6th largest in the world. A position that was once held by South Africa for 130 years.
Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel and thank you for clicking. If you are seeing me for the first time, my name is Lillian and I hope I get a like on this video. This video, trouble the sleep, nyanga go welcome kind of video. So this is how Ghanaians are throwing shade at Nigerians. So let's see how my fellow Ghanaians mocked my country people for losing a football match. Is it good? Then later on in the video, I'll take side. But for now, let's laugh together, because you know who taught these people how to be doing this thing now. We know how to bully somebody very well, but the sad thing is when the people bounce back and give us 10% of that energy, we will say they hate us. I hope we don't say they hate us. Let's watch these videos.
You don't have electricity, you want to qualify for World Cup? How would your citizens watch you? We all love AFCON, but World Cup is here, bro. Let us all be serious. So you can take the AFCON and we will take the World Cup.
Yeah.
Qualifying for the World Cup, you have to score goals. You don't use Spotify stream for Afrobeat song to qualify for World Cup. It does not work that way.
Preach.
You have to play on the field of play, score your goals, and win and qualify. You don't go fit carry the video in streams, can't qualify for World Cup.
Thank God we are not a Nigerian. Thank God we are not a Nigerian.
Yesterday was a successful hate watch against Nigeria. It was beautiful, sensational. You see, let me tell you something. Okonfanochi in 1909 said, agenda delayed is not an agenda denied.
Oh more, this one hit. Bro, man, it hits me. As a Nigerian, it hits me. Oh. But it's all cruise. I mean, that's what my people cause it. When we do it to other people, they'll tell you, hey, we are only catching cruise. Now you people are vexing too much. Little thing, you'll be angry. So how does it feel now if you're a Nigerian? I feel like crying. Anyway, let's move to the next one.
So we are on the streets of Osu here in Ghana, Oxford Street. Nala loves Ghana. Charlie talks. Today we are on the streets asking Ghanaians, what's that one thing they love about their country and they are so proud of? How with me? Let's go. What's that one thing you are proud of as a Ghanaian?
Okay, me as a Ghanaian, I think having Kofi Kinata in Ghana is very good.
Our color.
Our color. How do we look?
We are brown and light skinned.
And like me, now fresh boy.
We have beautiful ladies with nice curves, understand? Yeah, we got those kind of those cars.
One thing where they make they feel happy about Ghana be say it reach one voting time and we get peace of mind. The second thing to be say, as I get mama in that
The president,
I swear.
Yeah, happy with the president.
I'm very happy with the president.
Okay.
24/7 lights.
24/7 lights.
Yes.
Hey, why some people don't have lights?
That green and white country, them not get lights.
They don't get lights.
I swear.
Ghana is a peaceful country. That's what I can brag. Our education system too is quietly okay for us. Our culture too it's interesting.
One fact about Ghana that I know is every tribe with the food they participated on. So me, for instance, I am an Ewe. I like machakpling, the Ashantis, they like fufu, plantain rice. If you get to the north, they like the tuzafi with the yoyo. Yes, and then if we come to the Fanti, like Fanti Kenke, and then etiu, yeah.
So it's all about the food.
It's all about.
So if someone comes to Ghana, they need to try our food.
Yes, exactly.
I want to be a Ghanaian. I mean biological, okay? Not all these Ghana by paper. This one is not giving. It's not they give. He's not giving, you know. Well, God knows why. Anyway, shade. You see this shade we wanna throw at my people. Anyway, thank you for throwing shade at us. Tinubu, can you see how Ghana people are laughing at us because we don't have a light? Please give us this light. Give us this light. Our daily right. Give us this light so that Ghana people will not be mocking us again. Anyway, let's move to this beautiful video of a Nigerian girl explaining some things about the gold in Ghana.
Ghana is officially the largest producer of gold in Africa and the 6th largest in the world. A position that was once held by South Africa for 130 years. But what exactly happened to Ghana and South Africa's gold? I am about to shock you with one of the most fascinating economic histories. Hundreds of years ago, before anyone ever heard of South Africa's gold mines, Mali, Ghana and some other parts of Sudan were the world's gold capitals, long before Europe even knew how rich Africa was. The ancient Ghana Empire was actually one of the richest in gold in the world. Later, the Mali Empire became famous for its gold wealth, led by kings like Mansa Musa, the richest man in history. But everything changed when gold was discovered in South Africa in 1886. South Africa became the world's #1 gold producer, producing up to 50% of the world's gold for decades, building cities like Johannesburg from scratch. Ghana kept producing gold too, but not nearly at South Africa's industrial scale. But one day, slowly, history began to shift again. By the 2000s, South Africans' mines were getting old, deeper and more expensive to run. Meanwhile, Ghana's mines were shallower and cheaper, and the government encouraged investment in both large-scale and small-scale mining. Around 2019, Ghana officially overtook South Africa to become Africa's #1 gold producer and the 6th largest in the world. Today, Ghana produces around 130 to 140 metric tons of gold every year. That's billions of dollars worth. But where is all this gold coming from? Mostly from the Ashanti, Western, Eastern and Central regions of Ghana. And here is something most people don't know. Long before colonization, the Akan people of Ghana already traded gold dust as currency. They wore gold not just for beauty, but as living proof that gold for Ghanaians is more than just metal. It's their identity. If you want to know more about the Gold Coast we now call Ghana, follow Nala Loves Ghana right now.
That is interesting, but I have a question. Why are we not seeing the goods in Ghana? Where are our gold? Give us this gold, our daily rights, so that someone like me living in Ghana can brag about gold. I don't know, am I the only one, or is it because I'm a foreigner? I've not really seen gold, in a country where something is in abundance. They're supposed to be made available on the streets for everyone now. Please, if you have some gold, my fellow Ghanaians, don't be stingy with me. Why? Share with your girl. Let me wear it on my neck so people can see that I live in Ghana, the land of God. Anyway, all fun. Good to learn new things every day. And I hope you enjoyed this video and that you give it a like and don't take anything too seriously, too personal, okay? The banter between Ghana and Nigeria, nobody can buy it. You understand? Anyone trying to buy that banter, except you separate these two countries. You take Ghana from here, you go and keep in Canada, and you leave Nigeria where it is, or you take Nigeria. Where will they accept us? Which ground will allow us to be kept there? No way. So please, the banter is here to stay, but we just want it like this on a lighter note, not those heavy ones where we come out, insult people, tell them they are this, they are that, they are, those ones are not acceptable. So these are the kind of banter, light ones like this. You mock us for losing a football match. Ghana people, be ready. Be ready. Nigerians are coming. All right. Anyway, until then, I will see you in my next one. Bye.